Hello friends, welcome. So new to SportyBet and not sure where to start? In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to place your first bet on this service. So firstly guys, you of course will need to create your new account. You will need to register with your phone number. After that, set a password of course. Then you need to deposit funds. Tap on the wallet icon or deposit button. Choose your payments method like bank transfer, mobile money or card and follow the prompts to fund your account. On the home page, you'll see a list of live and upcoming games. As you can see on my screen, you can switch between football, basketball, tennis, and more. So as you can see in here, we have a bunch of sports. Tap the odds next to your predicted outcome, like home win or over 2.5 goals. Your selection will appear in your bet slip automatically. Open the bet slip, enter how much you want to stake, and then hit place the bet. You'll see a confirmation once it goes through. And that's it, your first bet on SportyBet is placed. Keep your bets simple, stay within your budget, and have fun. Guys, hit that follow button and check out the next guide. Support us by subscribing to the channel as well. See you next time.